getting black. We'll have to catch this storm on camera. Okay, give me some serious pumpage and start this thing. Is the choke on? Stop! Yeah! You pump her! Take the choke off a bit. Stop! Whoa, whoa, you're just... Come on, does he know how to drive that pig? Never before seen on TV. High-speed impact, bridge drive-by. Oh, yeah! Sweet. I like the bang it made. Looks undamaged. What the hell? What the hell? You broke my fridge!
Some shrapnel got on me!
Look what you did! We have a spectator.
Ow!
What happened? Did we have carnage?
Eh?
Carnage?
That's carnage.
Where's some blood? We need blood for ratings.
Sorry, no.
Oh, we got some blood. Yeah, ratings! That's a 5-star.
I got glass all over me.
You got glass in your ass?
I got glass in my back.
Oh, glass in your ass matters more.
Good old helmet. Sorry, farmers.
Yeah, sorry, spies.
Dude, you put a lot of gas in that fucking thing.
Well, it wouldn't go standing up. I think it's the plastic burning now. You killed my fridge.
I killed the field.
I think you got to go back and hit it again.
Alright.
Hurry up, give it a whack. Look at that compressor. Don't tell Al Gore about that thing. Come on, do her in. Finish her off. Hey! You weren't supposed to catch my Cheviac on fire! Get the hell out of there! You caught my Cheviac on fire! What the hell? You keep filming this.
Done and done.
Just keep filming.
Welcome to Dave's Farm, everybody. There's fucking glass and blood all over. Ow.
Fireman Dave to the rescue!
Go, Dave.
We don't want to burn good merchandise.
This is fucking awesome.
Look.
You got the grill.
Please don't tell Al Gore.
Turn around.
Don't go out.
Maybe we should tow it off that before the car burns. Radiator fluid.
Is the Chevyac saved?
Coolant. No, it's not. It's worse off now.
Oh my God, you blew the rad.
You blew the rad.
You blew the rad.
No, I stopped in time.
This was your idea.
This is... No, I was just a happy volunteer. She's fine. That'll buff out. That, however, I'm not so sure.
What a driver, eh? Now the poor Chevyac. Beaten, abused, burned.
Battle wounds.
Oh well, we got a new Chevyac in the wings, don't we? Or a Moldziak. Oh yeah, definitely you screwed up the rad. It's all your fault. All those fans, you killed their Chevyac.
It will be revived.
Look at that rad. Man, that's totally rad, don't you think so?
All you.
Don't you think that looks totally rad?
Yeah, probably. It's rad.
Took you about time to get it.
That would... Yeah, well, there's a problem.
What's that? Some fanage?
You know what? I'm actually not too sure where the fuck.
No, I think it's just a piece of random frigage went through there.
Possibly. I don't see any damage in the front either.
Car ain't dead yet.
I was harmed in the making of this video.